Hello. I'm standing about a quarter mile to the east of Jack Key Motors along the side of the road, and I wanted to show you what their lights look like at night from this distance. You can see them for miles and miles because I fly into the airport quite often, and as you rotate around here you can see that's the reflection of those lights in a house across the street from me. You can see that, those two little dots. And there you go, that's Jack Key. And I'll show you what it looks like up close here in a minute. So we'll pause the video and move on in. Okay, now I'm a bit closer. For some reason this thing doesn't want to focus. But you can't see all the lights, but you see some of them. They're basically glaring out in every direction. They actually shine upwards quite a bit too. And again, we can't see all of them, but if you lived across the street, you'd have to have your blinds drawn, some thick curtains or something like that. And this is one of many examples, not to pick on Jack Key or anything, but they're one of probably the top 20 anyway in the area for horrible light pollution that's so easily fixed. It's really sad actually when you sit here and look at it. You know, the nice dark skies we have here in the basin. In fact, we have several observatories just because of their great weather and dark skies, and every year there's more of this stuff going up. And it's quite sad actually. And we'll move in a little closer. You can see one up close. Okay, here we are in the parking lot. I'm actually on the property now. Hopefully I won't get attacked by used car salesmen or something like that, but there's one of those nice lights. And you can see the cars, and cars are casting shadows, and like I said, most of the light here it's either ineffective, like some of these cars are actually deep in shadow, and some are brightly lit. It's pretty much old school 70s crappy lighting that's so prevalent. And I don't know, in this area, in a lot of ways it's kind of backward, but this is a big one. There's actually dark sky laws in place in the county and the city, but it's not enforced. In fact, a few of the very worst are actually the city and county buildings and facilities that are scattered around the area, and I'll show a few of those. But anyway, this is Jack Key Motors, and their source of glare on the south end of town of Alamogordo.